This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn concatenate function in Excel. So first we will see what is the definition of concatenate. Let's see. So concatenate basically joins several text strings into one text string. So let's see how it is done. First we will type an equal to sign and type the name of the function, which is concatenate, like this. Now we want to combine and join several strings with the help of the concatenate function. So let's see how it is done. First we will like to add the sentence like stream population. This is the one I'm going to add into this concatenate function, stream population for, and we'll type quotation marks. Viewers, please note that whenever you are gonna type the string, the text, with the help of the concatenate function, you should always enclose them in the double quotation marks, which is necessary because computer actually process all the string values like the text values if they are enclosed in the quotation marks. If you don't, then then error can appear on the screen. And so to avoid all such type of errors, you should always enclose your all text or string words in the quotation marks. So here you can type the comma, and now I'm gonna add the cell reference B5 which contains book out. So what should I do? I will type the cell reference B5 and I'll put a comma, and then I need a space between book out and species. So what will I do? I will place a space like this enclosed in the double quotation marks, and then we'll put a comma, and then we'll type the next cell address B6 which contains species. So I will type B6 and then type a comma. Now it will type stream population for, you can see that here is B5, so B5 contains book out, so the sentence becomes stream population for book out, and there is a space. Here you can see here is a space, so it will become stream population for book out space species, and then I will type space, type space, and then type double quotation marks. So there's again a string, so strings always need to be enclosed into the double quotation marks. So I will put a comma. So comma is a separator. Whenever you're gonna add any text, whether you want to add or you can have it from add it from the any value you can have in the table, you always have to put a comma for that, because separator is always done, the separation is always done with the help of the comma. Now I will type this value 32. So for this I will type the cell reference B7, which will type 32, then type comma, and then I will type per mile this way. So this is the one I'm going to add. So whatever I'm going to add should be enclosed in the double quotation marks. But for cell references, you don't need to enclose them into the double quotation marks. Then I'll put a closing parenthesis and will press the enter key. So dear viewers, here you can see that now the total concatenate function has provided us this sentence, which is stream population for brook out species is 32 per mile. So if you want to remove some spaces, you feel that like the one I have, I can see the one space is an extra one, so I can easily remove it by just by pressing the backspace key. So here you can see that the stream population for book out species is 32 per mile. Now there are multiple ways you can use the concatenate function depending upon your requirement. So the other one example I'm going to give over here for you to understand is I can type concatenate, and then I want to see the name Andreas Hauser, and there should be a space between these two names. So what would I do? I will give the cell reference C5, which contains the name Andreas, then I'll put a comma. Comma, I have already told you that it is used for separation. So whenever you need to you need to separate the cell reference with the text you're going to add, the separation should be done with the help of a comma. Now I'll type a space like this. So for space you just need to put space bar on your keyboard, and this should be enclosed in the double quotation marks. Now I will type the next cell address, Hauser. For Hauser, the cell reference is D5. I will type D5 and will put a closing parenthesis and then press the enter key. So viewers, you can see that now we can have the name Andreas Hauser with the help of the concatenate functions. Likewise, if you want to get the fourth pine, for this you can just change the cell reference. Now for C5 we will type the next cell reference, which is C6, and now for D5 will be replaced for D6 to have the name Pine. So we'll type D6 and we'll press the enter key. So this is very simple. Fourth pine can be seen with the help of concatenate functions. So that's all.